today we are going to do the planner of day 14. English, page number 17. Read aloud the sound of E. ऊंची आवाज में हमने E का साउंड पढ़ना है. E का क्या साउंड है? ए. E pronounced like ए. E, ए, E, ए. E, ए, elephant. E की क्या आवाज है? E, ए, elephant. E, ए, elephant. Read aloud with me. E, a, elephant. Children, say aloud. E, a, elephant. E, a, eraser. E, a, eraser. Read with me. E, a, eraser. Children, read aloud. E, a, eraser. E, a, eraser. E, a, eggplant. E, a, eggplant. E, a, eggplant. Read aloud. The sound of E is a. Egg. E, a, eggplant. E, a, eggplant. Teacher notes. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. टीचर आज बच्चों से phonics के साथ सुनेंगी और दोबारा से कल इनको याद करवाएंगी. General knowledge. Question number 1. Who designed our national flag? Who designed our national flag? हमारा कौमी परचम किसने बनाया? Who designed our national flag? Children, who designed our national flag? Read aloud. Amiruddin. Who designed our national flag? Amiruddin. Read aloud with me. Who designed our national flag? Amiruddin. Now, conversation. Question number 1. What is your school name? Children, what is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. Read with me. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. What is your school name? Kanzul Iman School. Question number 2. What is your principal name? Children, what is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunan. What is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunan. Children, read with me. What is your principal name? Mufti Raza Kunan. Now we will going to start the poem. So let's start the poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Now read aloud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Dictionary words. Arm. Arm. Bazu. Read aloud. Arm. Point on your arm. Arm. Hold your arm, children. Hold your arm. Arm. Bazu. Read aloud with me. Arm. Bazu. Now the second one is pillow. Pillow. जिस पे आप सोते हैं, सर रखते हैं. Pillow. तकिया. What is it? Pillow. Read aloud with me. Pillow. Takiya. Pillow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions and the dictionary words today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Teachers, बच्चों को ये तमाम क्वेश्चंस और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स अच्छे से याद करवाएं और दोबारा कल सुने।